Moila ka YouTube channel they welcome Kuri I say they unfiltered IB.
Hey guys, so today we are taking my dad to watch 3D movie. The movie name is Mercy and we are going to Galera Mall. So it's gonna be his first time in a theater like 3D. So yes, excited. Keep watching guys. At Auto. Dun, 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 guys. day 3 of that being here. Movie time. Excited.
It's 3 days already.
I know. Here at Galleria Mall. Yo. Movie time. Guys. Dun, dun, dun. Hello, hello, hello. Yo, what is up everyone? How are you all? I'm so excited. Look at this. We're gonna watch movie here, you know. Our food guys. This, oh my god. This is for dad. This is for us. This is for us. He's telling me good job, bro. Before the movie starts, we'll finish. Oh, look at the mirror. Look up.
Cinema snacks, fun games, music and vibrant decor all brought together to create a memorable cinematic celebration. Choose from our curated cinema themed packages drafted by manager or call us at 880009 00009.
ಸ್ಟೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ
Yo guys,
ಆದ್ರೆ ತರೋದು ಯಾರು ನಾನು ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿ ನೋವಿನಿಂದ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್
Paris. You're worth it.
Do you remember buying jewelry was such a big deal?
These days, it's a debate. Lab-grown versus natural. Personally, I feel lab-grown is better.
Come on. Nature's creation versus something that's made in a factory?
Civil unrest was at an all-time high. The mass unemployment and homelessness drove Los Angeles into a crisis.
Zatar hai abhi. Oh, is here.
She got it.
Our food is here. How is it? Like this, if good. Mama, no. How is it?
Okay.
Good. This is mushroom. Okay guys, so we are home. We are reached home. So my dad is here at Bangalore for some health checkup, and so while he's here, me and Winnie planned out that we'll be making full use, that he sees the whole city like as much as he can and make sure that he's enjoying and having the best time here at Bangalore. So today, yesterday we went to Bharti City Mall and we had some good food and we visited the mall and all. My dad, it's his first time here at Bangalore, like for like क्या बोलते हैं वो trip to Bangalore for his health वाला thing. तो कल हम लोग गई बारडी में और kuch saman kharida. Dad wanted to buy some. There were stalls over there, so he wanted to buy necklace and bracelet for my baby sister. So let me show you guys what he chose, what he picked. I selected few items and I showed it to him, like which one is better, so he can take for my mom and baby sister. And even I took one for myself. I mean, he gifted me, all of us. So let's see what we got. We actually got it from this Alangar jewels. This is anti-tarnish. This one, Alangar anti-tarnish. So first thing, this is for my baby sister. She wanted bracelet, so I took this for her. Isn't it cute? Yeah. Second thing, this is for her. It's a necklace. This is also anti-tarnish. Oi, ye hai egg. See the rose and the little heart. So I felt like it holds a meaning. So I took this, and this is for mom. His romantic husband bought this for him. It's a love. He picked this too. So, oh yeah, nice choice. And I picked one for myself as well. Dekhti hai. This is for myself. I got this 4 clover leaves ka. Well, last minute I saw this one and I was like, I like this, so let me take it. A China. So yes, that's what I got yesterday. And then today we went to Galleria Mall. As you must be seeing the vlog, we went for a movie, we had good food, and then I got some jewelries, I mean like earrings. This is also anti-tarnish. So I got 3 earrings for 2 earrings for myself and 1 for my baby sister. The first earring is this. Isn't it cute? I think I can match with this Dono before clover leaf. And the second one is this. Oh my god, crane. So pretty. And this one is for my baby sister. It's so tiny, this anti-tarnish, so I took it for her. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys are enjoying my video. Yeah. More entertaining videos are coming up. So guys, please keep supporting, please keep watching, please keep sharing, commenting. And then right now, if you're enjoying, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. It will mean the world to me. And I love you all, guys. Keep watching. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. दिखाती हूँ मैं बैक कैमरा से कैसा दिखती है. See ना, this is for my baby sister. So cute. Yeah. Mr. Eric. Mr. Lava. That's it, guys. Yay! We are here at Juvie Manga restaurant. Food, bro. So good, the food here. Not lying. Arman is enjoying. How's the food?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Good food, guys. We are here.